Good morning, everybody. Just got to the top of the hill from Cross Trails, and we're starting our trip from Cross Trails Hostel in Harpers Ferry to Key West. At least that's the plan. But I'll fill y'all in with the route and everything here in a little bit if I don't make a video and post about it before then. But yeah. It's going to be an amazing trip, and if I make it, it's going to be about 3,133 miles. Got my Poseidon Redwood back, and we're loaded up, ready to go. Plan today is to do a shorter day and camp on the CNO, or do about 44 or so to Bears Den Hostel. But it's about 12:30 right now. Had a really hard time leaving Cross Trails. I just love that place. But it's time to get on my adventure. So now we get to cruise all the way down that hill. And then we'll get on the CNO, and we'll be on the CNO Canal from there to Pointed Rocks. And then we're taking a right. But yeah, I hope you all have a great day. And let's see where we end up. Good morning, everybody. Camped right over there last night. Just did 11.8 yesterday. Just did a short day. Camped just past where I turn off the CNO and start hitting the road. So just camped here last night. Just did a short day just to get my mind right for what I got coming up. Because it's a long ways to Key West, and I want to get my mind right before I got going. But we're all good now, and we got about 30 or 40 miles to Bears Den Hostel. And that's the plan for today. Might stop there or go a little bit further. I don't know. I'll look at the camping situation once we get there, and we'll see how everything goes. But yeah, it's about 8, a little after 8, about 8:15, and we're getting ready to get going. Going over that bridge over there here in a few, and we're hopping on the road. What's up, everybody? So I'm sitting here at Bluemont General Store. Got about 2 miles or so to Bear's Den. Can't never think of the name of that place. Never been there before, so but this will be a first, and it's run by the ATC, so it might be an okay place. But heard the person that's running it is a really awesome person, so we'll see. But yeah, only bad thing is we got a huge uphill. It's been uphill all day. Y'all see the elevation at the end of today, like always, but it's been up and up and up and up and down, up and down. More up than down now. But the bad thing is, once we get up at the end of this road, we're going to be on 7 for a little bit, which is a really busy highway. And then we're only going to be on it for like a half mile right now. Then we'll turn down the road where Bear's Den is. But tomorrow we got to ride on it for about a mile after that. So that's going to be fun. And this road here, it was crazy. No shoulder, no nothing, and it's busy as crap here for some reason. Man, it was a crazy climb to get up here. More or less had to push the bike a mile up the hill. Man, it was steep and no shoulder at all. But we're almost to Bear's Den. Just gotta go down this gravel road. So I put fun down so I can change gears. I can't go nowhere. What's up, everybody? So, met at the Bear's Den a little while ago. And man, today was a tough day. but yeah, we made it, and yeah. Good thing is, I only really need to do about 30 miles a day to get to where I want to be before December. So I got plenty of time to get my legs back under me, and the hills and everything, they'll just get easier as I go. It's just like through hiking. You just gotta get yourself back in shape for it. And yeah, just probably take me next couple of days. It'll probably be a little hard on me, just how everything normally is. After that, just like the CNO was a little tough, just pedaling all day and begin with, and then it became easy. So yeah, the only thing I'm having a little bit of trouble with now is just the uphills. Beginning of the day, I go right up them. The end of the day, I'm just pooped. And I had to push my bike, I don't know, probably a total of about 2 miles today. Which, in all honesty, isn't fun, pushing probably around a 55 pound bike up a hill. With cars zooming by you and everything. But I think tomorrow, after
well, maybe not tomorrow, but after the next day, I think we're on mostly gravel roads and so on. I'm loving the gravel roads. I'm just not liking the paved roads, especially paved roads with no shoulder. Good thing about Route 7, which we'll have to be on again tomorrow to get over the river, so we'll be on it for about 2 miles. Yeah, it's a 4-lane highway, busy as crap, but it has a really wide shoulder. And we're going to have some killer views in the morning because down that road is wide open, so it's going to be absolutely beautiful. But yeah, I did about, I think around 34 miles today. Y'all see at the end of the video. But yeah, all in all, it was a great day, really pretty day. Temperature was perfect. And that's it for day 2. Thank you all for following along, and please like, share, subscribe.